Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to be looking at a project I've spoken about before and it's called CakePunks. Now CakePunks, I did a video on it a while ago and I love their NFTs. I've kind of spoke about that loads of times. I do love their NFTs and I couldn't stop buying their NFTs as well. So that's why I originally liked the project. The token, however, when you've got an NFT project, the token price or the token and the NFTs themselves are two separate entities and we have to understand that. So the token, what they were doing with the token was it wasn't giving it much utility at the beginning. So way back it kind of shot up, the price shot up and it done really well. But then when they brought out the kind of utility of the token, which was kind of almost non-existent, they're bringing out a marketplace back then and I thought they were going to use the marketplace so that you would have to buy CakePunk tokens in order to kind of buy things from the marketplace or buy NFTs from marketplace, but that didn't happen. So the price plummeted and it stayed there for a while, but I always liked their NFTs and I bought and sold NFTs as well, still kept their NFTs for them. But the token price has now started looking much more juicier and I got back into the token itself last week. And I started letting my group know, I'm saying this could go back up. The utility is getting spoken about again and they're looking at bringing more utility to the token itself. So this is what they're doing. So I want to go over that today and I still think this is a brilliant opportunity for the token and for the NFTs as well because there's a lot going on in the background. So this is CakePunks and they've just literally brought out a marketplace. Their own marketplace. We were meant to do it a while ago, but they've got it all up and running just now. So you can buy these just now on the marketplace. And this one is 14 BNB. This is a limited edition one. Limited edition, I think there was only 100 limited editions. So they've got 3 editions out just now. First edition, second edition and exclusive. In the first edition, I believe there was 1,000 NFTs. Second edition, I think there's only been about 200 minted so far. Second edition is still ongoing. At the moment, you can still mint the second edition for 2 BNB just now. Second edition CakePunks left to mint, so there's 170 so far. I believe there was 1,000 of the second edition. So you can still mint these ones. And the exclusive edition, they've all been minted, obviously, but you can buy the exclusive editions on the marketplace. And there's only ever 100 of those minted. I've got a couple of those as well that I bought quite cheap for 2.5 BNB and I'll keep them because I think CakePunks is going to do something and it's still under 1 million market capitalization. 1 million. So I bought it last week when it was 270,000. I told my group about it saying this could go back up. They've got an AMA coming up which they had last night and I'll tell you about that in a sec. So this is a marketplace. I'm still disappointed, if I'm being honest, that they didn't make the marketplace exclusively to buy the CakePunk NFTs with the CakePunk token. So I'm still disappointed in that. However, there's more to it than that as well. So they're also going to be listed on PancakeSwap soon. Well, they're in the queue to be listed on PancakeSwap. Now, I don't know if you've seen the PancakeSwap NFTs just now. So they've got some collections on there, obviously the main one being Pancake Squad, which I got a lot of as well. I do like the Pancake Squad NFTs as well, but they've got some other ones on there as well and you can see the volume on that as well in BNB. So it's getting really good volume for Pancake Swap NFT collections. So they're going to be listed on that soon as well, hopefully. They're going to be listed. So that should bring a lot of attention to CakePunks, which in turn is going to bring a lot of attention to the token, which in turn is going to bring a lot of attention to the CakePunk NFTs as well. Now this is obviously a very small cap, so it is risky. Do your own research on this as well. It's just I love their NFTs. I've always loved them and I've got their NFT as one of my... So this is one of the ones I bought, which is, it's called Freedom, but it's Braveheart one. Obviously being Scottish, this was one of the ones I got. I minted this. I didn't realise I had it for it until a couple of weeks later when I first got into CakePunks. So this is my main one, and I've made that my avatar on Telegram as well. So loved them from the very beginning, and I got out of the token. I'll be honest, I got out of the token because I just didn't think they'd done the utility the correct way, but now they're starting to pick things up. So what's going to go on with the utility then? So they've just done an AMA, and this is the AMA recap. So the first phase of the marketplace is now live. I've just showed you that just now, where it's showing the 3 editions of the CakePunks. And there's going to be other projects in the future which will be able to list on CakePunks marketplace, and royalties will go towards buying and burning the CakePunks tokens. So any royalties earned from other collections going on to the CakePunk marketplace will be used to buy back and burn the CakePunk tokens, which is always good. And they're releasing a blockchain game as well, which you can only play using the CakePunk token. I don't know how good that's going to be, but you can only use it with the CakePunk token. Multiple partnerships have been made. A large marketing campaign has been paid for, and we'll start to see more shout outs coming starting just now. The timer is going on for the 2nd edition. So I said 2nd edition is still there for minting at 2BNB, but the timer is going on for that, so that's going to be stopped. The next minting edition will be a crypto maxi pack buyable via CakePunks token only, which is a good thing. This is part of the utility of the token as well. You can only buy the kind of crypto maxi pack using CakePunk tokens, which means the price of CakePunks is going to go up because people are going to be buying it. And they will be developing a staking contract where you can get rewarded in CakePunk NFTs. Now, as I said, I love the NFTs. I've got over 40, I think it's 43 now at last count, 43 CakePunk NFTs. I just love them. So me getting rewarded in CakePunk NFTs, being able to sell them on the marketplace, if they come to PancakeSwap as well, that is going to be a huge deal. So I love that idea as well. So it's bringing more utility to the CakePunk token. It's going to get listed on PancakeSwap, which is a big thing. And now what we'll do is look at the price. Look at this. It went all the way up here to, I think it's 6 thousandths of a cent. Or it might be 6 million, I think it's 6 thousandths of a cent. 6 millionths of a cent it could be, or 6 10,000ths of a cent. I don't even know how to say that. Went all the way up here. We kind of bought it here, started at the very beginning. We've seen the potential of it. Went all the way up, but then started coming back down because the utility of the token wasn't being used as much as it should have been, I think. But that's just my opinion. The team know what they're doing. They've got a really good team out as well, and they've got another token out as well, the team. But it's come all the way down, and what does it look like? It looks like the first half of cup and handle. So you could get a cup and handle scenario here, massive cup and handle scenario, where the price just now could go up just to get to the all-time high. It's 554%, so 5x from here just to get to an all-time high. And if we look at the market cap is only 927,000, fully diluted market cap, 927,000. Liquidity is not brilliant, 431,000, but as I said, it's a small cap. Daily volume is 61,000. I do expect that to pick up. I do expect the liquidity to pick up as well. But for this price, I think I'm already up 300%. And I think we could get to the all-time high again, which is only 4.5 million market cap. So I do see them doing more things with CakePunks, and I think it being more out there as well. I think we're going to get more shout outs as well. And I see this rising at least 400-500% in the short term. And I just think it's going to do really well. As I said, love their NFTs. Check it out, do your own research if you want to get into it. It's extremely cheap at the moment, only 927,000 market cap, and you can get a lot of the tokens as well for that. So that's it for just now. Just want to bring that to your attention again. The project is not dead. They're very much alive and kicking and doing a lot in the background, and brilliant to see that they're getting more utility for the token. Okay, that's it for now. Until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.